If you want a quick and easy Mexican-esque dip to take to a party, try this easy, warm corn dip. It starts with some bacon, and then while that cooks, we put aside about half a brick of cream cheese. Add in a couple of tablespoons of sour cream and mix it all together. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, just for a little bit of spice to it. Salt will help bring out the flavors in your dip. The pepper will give it a really mild kick. We're not going for a real hot dish here. Though if you like, you can add some jalapenos just to spice it up. To our mixture, we're going to add some corn and then 2 kinds of cheese. In this case, because of availability, we're going to use mozzarella and white cheddar. These should be available in any grocery store. So you're just going to mix these up. By now your bacon should be done. And then we're going to heat them. Heat it up. So you got your bacon, you put your bacon in there, mix it up. You're only going to use about half of your bacon, by the way. You're going to save the other half to top your Mexican corn dip. So now that everything's mixed together, put it in a little dish. You're going to bake it in the oven, 350 degrees. So while that bakes, I am going to invite you to like, subscribe, and get notified whenever a new video comes out. Also, please go to the comments. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about it. Do you like this recipe? Do you not? What would you like to hear? Alright, now back to this. You can see we're kind of shaking it out, get everything into the corners, cooks evenly. We're going to bake it 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're also going to want to cover this with aluminum foil because you don't want this dip to dry out. And that's all there is to it. After it's done, serve it up with chips, top it with a little extra bacon, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching this episode from Ghost Host Kitchen.